2 months ago, we asked a simple question. If you plant two different types of native Irish wildflower mixes side by side, which one will thrive? Well, the results are in, and they weren't what I expected. Hello, and welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, a very warm welcome to Blooming Slopes Gardens. This is part 5 in the Garden Rewilding series. For those of you who are just joining us, we're on a mission to rewild our lower garden. But before committing to a full planting, we set up a simple A/B test in a raised bed. On side A, we planted a specialised Coastal Native Wildflower mix, and on side B, a Regular Native Wildflower mix. The goal? To see which would perform better on our exposed hillside. We tried to control as much as possible: the soil, the slope, the wind exposure. But we made one crucial mistake, and it came from an unexpected neighbour. This gorgeous Lavaterra decided to have a bumper summer, and it ended up casting this entire half of the bed in deep shade. As you see, the growth here was, well, disappointing. It's a great lesson in gardening. No matter how much you plan, you can't control everything. But on the sunny side, the experiment was a roaring success, and we have a clear winner. So after 8 weeks of growth, which mix came out on top? Just look at this abundance cascading down the side of the raised bed. Now, in fairness, the regular wildflower mix has done splendidly as well, but the coastal mix is simply more vigorous, more dense, and seems to be handling the wind that whips up this hill just that bit better. I have to admit, I was wrong. I had predicted very little difference between the two, but the proof is right here in front of us. The native Irish coastal mix is the clear choice for our bigger project. So the verdict is in. This little experiment has given us invaluable information and the confidence to move forward. The next step? Taking the success and scaling it up for the entire lower garden. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for updates on our rewilding adventure. In the next episode in this series, we'll start preparing the main hillside for its own wildflower meadow transformation. In the meantime, so long and happy gardening.